welcome back to the channel. What are you seeing? Tomatoes. Draw tomatoes. And you're seeing flowers. Yes. So these are ready. But I have to take some of them out because they are bundled together. So I have some small pots and we are just going to be separating them. So this video is about making my tomato patch in my window bigger. Yeah, so join me. One container of tomatoes plants that have to be separated. This have in about five or six plants. So this is one that will have only one. So I will transplant all. I think there will be 8 and all. I think it is. So I can't record that because I have just one hand and I can't prop it up. So I will see you at the end. I'm doing a lot. So we got one in the pot. Got these other two ready. And I am gardening. This is the last one I'm doing now. I'm taking out this small one and put it in here. I'm going to trim the yellow leaves because they were too crowded in here, so some were getting bigger while others were starting to die. So today was being their savior, so I'm going to try to show you if it is distorted or shaking. Excuse it please, because I'm trying to see how I could put it under my, as I have joked with Beverly Black, and I hope that everyone follows Beverly Black if you want for the best meals and dishes around. I joked with Beverly Black and told her my mouth is my tripod. So bear with me as I try to set this up. I hope you saw something. And we are finished. And I did all of it. I separate all the plants. So there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and then the others now have space between them in the bigger planter pot. And all of these are facing the sun because only this side is getting sun this time of the year. So my tomato patch has got bigger in my window. Did I went overboard? I don't think so. I'm so proud. And I did everything myself. The only thing then I didn't do is put the earth in the pots. But everything else I did by myself. And yes, I am so beat. I am so tired. This was a workout. But this is a good workout. And yes, the Lord said that we will eat bread by the sweat of our brow. Yes, I'm going to eat these tomatoes, and I have sweat over these tomatoes. So pray with me. I know some of these will wither a little because they got a shock, and some that have the flower might lose them, but the Lord will bring them back. And I'm so happy when I wake up and look at my window, I could see my tomatoes growing from a seed. Just took two fruits, cured the seeds and planted the seeds, pray over them, tend to them, and look, they are growing. I can't wait till I get in my house. Oh, it's going to be so beautiful. So this is my tomato patch that me one-handed with one half of my body working has planted 10 and waiting to harvest my orange draft tomatoes, orange hat tomatoes. I can't remember, but they're draw orange tomatoes. And if you want to support my channel, firstly you can subscribe, then share, like, and comment. Also, I have some t-shirts that I design, and yes, I design t-shirts for me and others. I have designed some Just Keep Planting t-shirts. Yes, because we gotta keep planting. That's the only way we're going to eat natural food. The word is natural food. So support me by buying a t-shirt, and there's other things with my other channel. I have for the Steps to Lead podcast. I have t-shirts for that too. To be bold, be brave. So please support my channels, please. That's the only way you can support me, by buying and subscribing, like, comment, and share. So until next time, what is the phrase? Keep planting.